outside of Atlantic, are there any other companies, even before you became CEO of Atlantic, are there any other companies that you like on the market? Doesn't mean you own them or anything, but any stocks that you like on the market and why?
The difficulty with answering that question, and forgive me for going the legal route,
Mm.
as a publicly traded company, I think it would be inappropriate for me to comment as it relates to other publicly traded company. What I would say, however, is that look at the national economy and examine the companies from a perspective that if the government intends to put in say, 20, $30 billion in the economy to have some form of flip, and it's directed primarily in reconstruction efforts, then what companies more than likely will benefit directly or indirectly from those funds?
Drops mic.
Drops mic. You guys heard it here first. Limitless exclusive. Well,
Preston,
thank you, Miss.
what do you like that? Reasonable answer, right?
Perfect.
Couldn't say it better myself. Indeed. Guys, if you love this episode, please drop a like and subscribe, right? Share it with a friend. Deanall Barnes, thank you so much. CEO of Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited. Really appreciate you for coming on the show. And yeah, anything you want to leave with the limit breakers, the investors out there?
Yes, indeed. Stocks to a large extent are long-term investments. So when you're looking at a company to invest in, you look at the shareholder, the directors, you look at the management of the company and ask yourself the question, do they have the requisite experience to guide this company? Then you dig deeper into what are the strategic plans, what do they intend to do? Is it possible the different plans that they have? So I am firm in my mind that the Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited, we have basically opened more books to the public. We have received several financing. I mean, in terms of just goods, companies all over the world want to know, give us goods because we're a listed company. It means a lot to them because they can just access our information on the JC website. They no longer need us to send them their financial. It speaks of confidence. I'm saying that when you're investing, you examine all the different things. The numbers are important, but you want persons of impeccable character to lead, to be part of the leadership or be the leadership in those companies. And everywhere that most of my directors have been, they have shown that they are persons of immense character and scruples, just like yours truly. So look at Atlantic. Go again if you didn't have a chance. Look at our prospectus. Look at where we started, and in 2 weeks, look at where we are, and then you make your determination. Is it a company that I'd want to grow with? And I'm absolutely confident that you will definitely pick in the yes corner.